Hello and welcome to the last part of MTH1021 Mathematical Methods. And this part of the course can be informally called Calculus in 3 Dimensions. So my name is Dermot Green and I'll be the lecturer for this part of the module, which will run for the last 8 weeks of term. Okay, and you can contact me via Teams, via Canvas or via email, and don't hesitate to do so if you want to. Okay. Alright, so what's this part of the module all about? Well, with Kathy, in the first semester, you would have considered calculus in the plane. So you would have thought about functions of a single variable, y equals f of x. And you learned how to take derivatives of this function to calculate the gradient or the rate of change of the function, and also how to do integrals. So you can calculate the area under the curve. So in this part of the module, we want to extend those ideas to higher dimensions. Okay, and specifically, we're going to consider 3 dimensions. Alright, so this part of the module consists of 6 sections, okay, which we'll cover over the 8 weeks, but we're going to try and keep the last week free for revision and to go through a mock paper in detail. Okay, so through these 6 sections, we'll learn how to describe and analyze curves in 3D, so arbitrary curves in 3D, how we do calculus on functions of several variables. Okay, so maybe we have a surface and we want to find the rate of change in a certain direction on the surface. We'll extend these ideas to vector functions where we have vectors at each point in space. Okay, and then also extend the ideas of integration to surface and volume integrals and line integrals. Alright, so all of these things are of interest in their own right. Okay, but the apparatus, the mathematical machinery that we're going to see kind of permeates all the mathematics that you'll see through your degree pathway. Okay, so it's a real fundamental part of any mathematician or physicist or engineer or data scientist's toolbox. And there are a number of different resources to help you understand the material. The first is a set of pre-recorded Lightboard videos, which I'll release week by week, kind of section by section, which involved me working through mathematics, developing it from scratch at the board. Okay, and these videos will be accompanied by a set of comprehensive typed lecture notes, which is about 50 pages or so. And then we also have 6 problem sets, okay, for each of the 6 sections of this part of the module. So you'll be able to ask your tutors questions in the tutorials, but last but hopefully not least, you will have me. Okay, and it's my job to try to help you understand things as best you can. So if you've read the notes, you've tried the problems, you have questions or queries, feel free to contact me. Okay, I want you all to succeed, and I'm here to help. Okay. All right. So finally, we'll have the final exam, which is in summer, and the exam will consist of 2 sections. Section A will have 2 questions on mechanics from Gabriele's part of the course, and then section B will have 3 questions on the calculus in 3D part of the course. Okay, so it will be 5 equally weighted questions, 20 marks each. Okay, and you have to answer all. Okay, and again, I'm here to help. If you watch the videos, read the notes, do the problems, you will do well on the exam. Okay, and if you don't understand something, please reach out, contact me, we'll talk through it, and hopefully by the end you will understand. Okay? Alright, so I hope you enjoy the course. Thanks.